Hey developer, I'm came back with another awesome video where I'll show you the another way that you can get 30 million token per day. You have heard the right things. You can get 30 million token per day. Do you want to use? Then this video is for you. Where this MonkeyCode repo provide you a AI coding platform for free where you can get 30 million token per day. Currently it will only available for browser online. It will not available for CLI and locally. If you want to know more about it, you can visit it there, and this is the officially website where it will mention each and everything. MonkeyCode online AI development platform. Use it for free with no installation. MonkeyCode includes a cloud development environment and broad support for leading models. At the same time, it will also provide free hosting as well. Free and ready to use. Compare with some other code editor how different MonkeyCode is. Online available, all of the editor will be available. Local not available, CLI not available. It is open source, private deployment is available, domestic model support, team collaboration, and many things will be provided here. This is the real feedback from user. You can use some model for free where you can get 30 million token per day. If you invite your friend, log in with your invitation code, you can get 5000 credit. Okay, most important part is here where it will mention each and everything. Most of the viewer user has confused. Most of the common question will be covered here. Just like, is it really free? How do you make money? The personal free tier is available. Long terms, we mainly make money through paid subscription and commercial support for enterprise, self-hosting, while the platform absorbs core inference cost. Will my code be used for training model? Most of the open source model use your data for training, but MonkeyCode didn't use your data. No, by default. Your repository prompt and output do not enter any model training process by default. Okay, which model are supported? The platform has been connected GPT Cloud, but in free plan you can use Coin 3.6. Okay, can it work offline? No, currently not available. You can only use it in online. Then how you can use it? Here is the sign in button. Click it here. It will provide some authentication method. I am going to use Google. Continue with Google. Select your account. After that, you are ready to use. Here you can also claim daily 100 credits, and main part is here. You can get 30 million daily token. At the same time, you can also connect your repository as well. Okay, you can also import zip file here, and some preview skill will be available here. For brainstorming, you can select this skill. For code review, you can select this skill. For UI UX design, you can use this skill. For writing and some other using superpower, you can use preview skill. Okay, let's start. Are you available? Ron, for the first time it will take little bit time. Keep in mind, after that it will respond very fast. If you are using it for the first time, it will create the development environment, it will building system image, then only it will start to work. Now development environment is ready. Your question will be reflected here. It will take nearly 15 seconds for the first time. After first time, it will work very fast. Okay. Now I am going to build one snake game. Gradually, I will build some complex tasks as well. Can you build one fully functional snake game in single HTML file? You can see it will already start to work on it. For the first time, it will take little bit time. After that, it will respond fast. Okay, this is the code. It will completed it. Now I'm going to copy it. Okay, and paste it here. Before testing it, I'm going to give another task here. During this time, we will test this feature. Can you build a one fully functional Mario game in single HTML file? Didn't worry about spelling mistake. Okay, it will easily understand if I mistake anything. Okay, let's run this snake game. How is it look? Okay, working, perfect, working perfectly. Okay, this snake game is working perfectly. I think this platform will best where if you want to use AI model but it will didn't provide most intelligence model. It will provide only the basic model. Okay, this game is working perfectly. You can see its speed. It will already completed this task as well. It will write nearly 650 line of code. I don't know why copy button will be not appear here, and this token is not hit. Until now only the 2,19,000 token will be used. In some case this problem will be happen. It will provide nearly 30 million 40 million token, but this token will be born within the 2-3 prompt. But we have built a 2 project where we have written nearly 1000 line of code. During this time it will born only the 2 lakh token. Okay, let's see how is this Mario game look like. Okay, working perfectly. Yeah, this Mario game is working is perfect. Means this model is intelligence as well. This is not a dumb model. Okay. By this way, you can use this model in your daily life, where it will provide 30 million token that you have already know. Now you win. By this way, you can use this platform for your daily life coding. If you invite to your friend, then you can also get 5,000 token as well. But I don't think this will be required for you, where you have already get 30 million token per day. Okay, that's it for today's video.